Good morning, my wonderful friends. Happy Friday to all of you. Millions of Americans could miss out on an extra $1,800 stimulus payment this year. The deadline to take action and claim additional relief money is coming up very soon. Also, the Internal Revenue Service has just announced that millions of Americans will receive their tax refund check sooner than expected. Friends, here is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. So please, make sure to watch until the end of this video, and also share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news. In a video later today, I will also be announcing the 3 winners of this Friday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway.
Speaker's press conference, she made some remarkable statements. She said, Democrats have done a great job. We must take great pride in what we have done. We've got a lot to brag about. I just think they're so out of touch, even from that statement itself. A recent poll showed that the American consumer sentiment has shrunk for the 5th time in the past 6 months. That's nearly an 11-year low of all the great things they have done. And it's for good reason. Whether you're at the pump, the supermarket, or virtually everywhere else Americans are spending money, they are paying the highest prices in living memory. And inflation, which is a tax on every single American, shows no signs of stopping. Now, just this week, the Federal Reserve Chair, Mr. Powell, said he expects inflation to stay high for months. You know, by the end of 2 years of President Biden's presidency, families will be losing more than $6,000 in buying power because of inflation. That's over 2 years. This was not only predictable, it was predicted. Last year, House Republicans, we warned reckless government spending would lead to higher prices. It wasn't just Republicans who warned them. Former Democrats in the administration warned them as well. We warned anti-energy policies would lead to higher gas prices. Democrats have responded with excuses and finger-pointing and unserious solutions, as you can see from the...
So, my friends, the IRS is wading through an unprecedented backlog of unprocessed tax returns. But the head of the tax collecting agency told Congress today that he expects the government to clear out the pileup by the end of this year. While speaking before the House Ways and Means Committee, IRS Commissioner Chuck Redding told lawmakers that he foresees the IRS clearing the backlog of tax returns absolutely before the month of December. Chuck Redding stated, "As of today, barring any unforeseen circumstances, if the world stays as it is today, we will be what we call healthy by the end of the calendar year 2022 and enter the 2023 filing season with normal inventories." So, my friends, this is good news, as the IRS has been behind on millions upon millions of tax returns since the crisis began. The progress is because the IRS planned a hiring spree this tax season to process 20 million returns from previous years. The agency announced last week that it intended to hire 10,000 new workers in the next year, with plans to onboard at least half of those employees within the next few months. By comparison, the IRS usually enters tax filing season with fewer than 1 million remaining items to address. Chuck Redding described the plan as an all-hands-on-deck approach to ensuring that the backlog is back at pre-crisis levels by next year. There are fresh challenges facing the IRS this year. Taxpayers will have to reflect the monthly child tax credit payments and the stimulus checks that they received in 2021 on their returns, further complicating matters and increasing the likelihood of errors and delays in processing returns. Over the course of 6 months last year, millions of eligible families received monthly checks for up to $300 from the expanded child tax credit. Parents can expect more money with their tax refunds this year, up to $1,800 per child under the age of 6, or $1,500 per child ages 6 to 17. Families who opted out of the advance payments last year could receive $3,600 or $3,000 per child, respectively, after they file their tax return. So friends, to make sure that you get the rest of your money, do keep track of Letter 6419 from the IRS It will inform you of how much money that you received in 2021 and the number of qualifying dependents used to calculate the payments. Please make sure that all the information on letter 6419 is accurate before filing your taxes. Otherwise, you could risk delaying your tax refund. Friends, the keyword for this video is innovation. If you would like to enter today's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. The Internal Revenue Service started sending out letter 6419 to families in late December. If you have not received it yet, please keep an eye on your mailbox because some letters are still in transit. The letter contains important information about your child tax credit payments that you'll need to double check for accuracy. For instance, the number of dependents used to determine the amount of money that you received. If you and your family meet the income eligibility requirements and you received each advance payment between July and December of 2021, you can expect to receive up to $1,800 for each child age 5 and younger, or up to $1,500 for each child between the ages of 6 and 17 when you file your 2021 taxes. But if you opted out of partial payments before the first check went out, you will receive your full eligible amount with your tax refund. Any payments that you missed due to IRS errors or because you unenrolled should be included with your 2021 tax refund. So my friends, do make sure that the IRS has the correct information on file so that you can receive the correct amount of stimulus money. If you're missing money from one of the previous checks due to an IRS error or outdated information, you can wait for the issue to be resolved when you file your taxes, or you can file a payment trace with the Internal Revenue Service. Well, my good friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you very much for everyone who has joined me here today and watching my videos daily. I greatly appreciate all of you. Remember, in a video later today, I will be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards. If you would like to enter the giveaway, simply click and like my videos. Comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. And please do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Friday.